Skyhawk 80 Alpha taking off 16 west departure Clearwater. Takeoff power set. Engine gauge is green. Airspace alive. And rotate.
Clearwater, traffic helicopter 512 Golf Sierra, left downwind runway 16 Clearwater.
Traffic 892 to Victor is a mile west of the field at 1000. Going to join the downwind for 16 Clearwater.
Clearwater traffic, Skyhawk 80 Alpha turning left crosswind 16 Clearwater. Clearwater traffic, Skyhawk 80 Alpha crossing midfield 1400 westbound Clearwater. Tampa approach, good afternoon, Skyhawk 8780 Alpha.
Alright, 780 Alpha, Tampa approach.
8780 Alpha, 2 miles west Clearwater. Like pick up our IFR to Myrtle Beach.
Alright, 7 Alpha, you need to maintain 2000 for me and stand by for a transponder code.
2000, 8780 Alpha.
Cessna 80 Alpha, squawk 7401.
7401, 80 Alpha.
Colony 1, I just want to verify, maintain 3000.
Yep, 3000, Colony 17.
Thanks, Alright, Alpha, radar contact 5 west of Clearwater, air park showing 2000. You are clear to your destination to be vectors to NITS as filed, fly heading 360, maintain 2000, expect 4000 in 10 minutes.
Right, we're clear to Myrtle Beach, vectors NITS as filed, fly heading 360 and I'll expect 4000 in 10 minutes. 8780 Alpha.
Alpha, roger, maintain 2000 for now, Tampa altimeter 3001.
2000, 3001, 8780 Alpha.
Allegiant 913, fly heading 80.
Heading 180, Allegiant 913. Departure Skyfly 322, heading 270, 800 feet, climbing 1600.
Skyfly 322, Tampa departure, ident.
Ident, Skyfly 322.
Allegiant 913, descend and maintain 2600.
Maintain 2600, Allegiant 913.
Number 80 Alpha, climb maintain 4000.
4000, 80 Alpha.
Skyfly 322 is radar contact west of St. Pete, maintain 1600.
Maintain 1600, Skyfly 322.
It's 913, so you may as well turn 10 right. I got a little close to the airport on the down there. Turn 10 degrees right and report when you get the field in sight.
Okay, 10 right, Allegiant 913. We've got the field in sight now.
Allegiant 913 is quick visual approach runway 36, maintain 2600 till advised.
Close to visual approach runway 36, maintain 2600, Allegiant 913.
Number 80 Alpha, go direct to NITS.
Direct NITS, 80 Alpha.
Allegiant 913, traffic will be at your 1 o'clock, 2 miles westbound, 1600 at Cherokee.
Alright, we're looking for traffic, Allegiant 913.
Number 58 Alpha, traffic, 12 o'clock, 4 miles, opposite direction, 4000 to Cessna.
Looking for traffic, Harvey now.
80 Alpha, traffic, 12 o'clock, 4 miles, opposite direction, 3000 at Cherokee.
Looking, 80 Alpha.
Departure Hawker 801, Romeo Mike out of 1.2 for 1.6. Number 801, Romeo Mike, Tampa departure, hide in. Vehicle Foxtrot, you clear for the approach, contact St. Tower 118.3.
For the approach at contact St. Tower 118.3, number 9 to Vehicle Foxtrot.
Approach 7500, turn left heading 180.
Left turn heading 180, Allegiant 95.
Number 7 Sierra Whiskey, turn left heading 200.
200, 7 Sierra Whiskey.
One Romeo Mike, ready to contact, climb and maintain 4000.
Under 4,000, one Romeo Mike.
One Romeo Mike, flighting 010.
Heading 010, one Romeo Mike.
7 Charlie Papa, flighting 110, contact Tampa 119.65. One Romeo Mike, contact Jacksonville Center 135.75.
3575, one Romeo Mike today.
Number 878 Sierra Alpha, contact Jacksonville approach 118.6.
186, 878 Sierra Alpha, have a good. Jacksonville approach, good afternoon. Skyhawk 878 Sierra Alpha, level 4000.
Skyhawk 878 Sierra Alpha, Jackson approach, good afternoon. Ocala, altimeter 3004.
3004, 878 Sierra Alpha.
Down 12, descend and maintain 3000 and advise if you need any deviations around these two areas of weather. There's one to the northeast and one to the southeast. Just let me know if you want to turn between the two of them. On 12 deviations left and right are approved. Advise when able for a vector for the approach. Endeavor 5392, descend and maintain 2000.
Alright, what radio are we on from Ocala? That's a good question. Okay, so we will tune in the Ocala Vortec on 113.7.
Switching 5057, turn 10 degrees right, vectors for
And we'll ID that by hitting the ID button right there and listening on our nav 1. Okay, so that is ID'd. Turn that off, turn the ID off. So we're going to select our CDI button, our VOR1. We're going to rotate this until
Jacksonville approach,
CDI,
hiding 300
Alright, so on the 221 radio, we're going to fly.
Connections 223 Jackson approach. India's current at Ocala. The altimeter is 3001.
Get straight line to it.
3001, connect to 223.
Skyhawk 8 Sierra Alpha, Jack.
8 Sierra Alpha.
Now your present heading is going to take you through a restricted military airspace in about 40 miles. Let's turn 10 degrees right and keep you on the east side of it. There is weather up there as well, and I'm thinking if we go east of that restricted area, you're going to stay east of the weather also. You should have a clear route to SSI.
Copy that, 10 right, 8 Sierra Alpha. Alright, we'll do a little VOR check here. So we'll tune in the Craig Vortec 114.5. We'll just do a dual VOR check since we have dual
Number
VORs.
0 X-ray Romeo, descend and maintain 5,000. Heading 7 down to 5, Navajo 0.
Okay. So, Craig Vortec is tuned in on both, and we'll ID them both.
Jackson 235 Sierra Mike is level 6000.
235 Sierra Mike, taxi clear, altimeter 3001.
Thunderstorms. Moving from 109. Flight level 455.
November 42 Juliet, bring you back around. Turn right heading 090, maintain 2000, and bring you right back around to the final.
Over Atlantic water. Atlantic 090.
42 Juliet, clear GOR runway 36 approach.
So that's tuned in ID. We will go ahead and VOR1.
Stock tower clear for the approach. 6 Juliet.
That says 211. And if we hit the other one, that also says 211. Alright, so the VORs are good. Write that down.
Ranger Alpha is moderate precipitation, 12 o'clock and about 5 miles. If you want vectors around that, just let me know.
Insight, we'll take the vectors, 80 Alpha.
Ranger Alpha, reservoir heading 040.
040, 80 Alpha.
November 80 Alpha, contact Jackson approach 120.75.
2075, 80 Alpha, thanks, have a good day.
November 80 Alpha, radar contact 10 miles west of Gainesville Airport, Gainesville temperature 3004, stay out from 558 Alpha Tango, contact Jacksonville approach 118.6.
Jacksonville approach, good afternoon, Skyhawk 8780 Alpha, level 4000.
Skyhawk 8780 Alpha, Jackson approach, good afternoon. November 8780 Alpha, I'll need you at an odd altitude out that direction. Do you want 5,000 or do you think 7,000 might be better for the clouds?
We can try 7,000, 8780 Alpha.
November 80 Alpha, climb maintain 7,000.
Climb maintain 7,000, 80 Alpha.
Number 61 Victor, I'm going to keep you on that heading for the next 13 miles before I give you a base turn to final.
Jax, JetBlue 2115, last sky left us high. We're not going to be able to make Flutie at 10. We'll do the best we can.
JetBlue 2115, at your discretion, fly your present heading vector to final approach course, descend to maintain 6,000.
6,000 present heading, JetBlue 2115.
November 8780 Alpha, are you direct type?
We're direct Brunswick this time, 8780 Alpha.
Great, 0 Alpha, thank you. Proceed direct to Brunswick, or continue direct Brunswick, and contact Jack Center 126.75, good day.
2675, good day, 8780 Alpha.
Echo Romeo, Jack Center scattered areas of moderate heavy precipitation for the next 20 miles.
Okay, copy that. And if it works for you, we'd like to proceed to Harbs and then fly past it, come back around, hold southeast of that fix. Shouldn't be very long. The weather's moving off pretty quick.
Air 650 Echo Romeo, Roger, and that's approved. You can clear to Harbs, hold southeast, and just maintain solid 210 for now. I'll probably end up dropping you down a little bit lower.
Okay, sounds good. Thanks.
No salt. At 182, I can't give you Myrtle just quite yet. It'll put you to a warning area.
Jacksonville Center, good afternoon, Skyhawk 8780 Alpha, level 7,000.
Skyhawk 8780 Alpha, Jack Center. Yeah, Brunswick altimeter 3003.
03, 8780 Alpha. Clearwater approach, good afternoon, Skyhawk 8780 Alpha, level 7,000.
Skyhawk 8780 Alpha, Myrtle approach, Myrtle altimeter 3004.
3004, 8780 Alpha.
Wind 090 at 12, visibility 10, sky clear. Temperature 312.24, altimeter 3005. Expect a visual approach runway 18 in use. Modem crane 1.2 southeast of Myrtle, 300 feet AGL. Taxiway Alpha 3 and Alpha 7 in regular service. Use caution, helicopters operating in the vicinity of Myrtle Beach Airport at or below 1200 feet AGL. All departing VFR aircraft advise aircraft type, destination, and planned altitude. Advise on initial contact you have Charlie.
Okay, so if they're landing 18,
2714 Airport,
still
at your
low
2 o'clock over 1 mile.
Estimated ILS runway 18, Myrtle Beach International, KMYR, valid 16 August 2018 through 13 September 2018. Localized frequency 109.5, final approach course 177. Runway landing useful length 9,503. Touchdown zone elevation 23, airport elevation 25. Alright, they have an LSAR. Frequencies are all set. The MSA from Grand Strand, 25 nautical miles, 2,100 all quadrants. We can expect flight slope intercept at 1,600, descent on the ILS to our minimums of 223, 2,400 RVR to land. This approach procedure is a climb to 800, then climbing right turn to 3,000 on heading 235 and Grand Strand Vortex Radial 234 to plan intersection 24 DME and hold.
Skyhawk 8780 Alpha, descendant pilot discretion, maintain 2000, sliding 040, vector zero approach.
040 PD to 2000, 8780.
Bush 311, Myrtle approach, you call. Central aircraft, center weather advisory 303, valve fill 2200 Zulu. From 50 miles southwest of Florence, 30 miles northeast of Charleston, 15 miles southwest of Savannah. 40 miles northwest of Savannah to 50 miles southwest of Florence. Area scattered, rain showers and isolated thunderstorms. Moving from 070 to 10, isolated top from flight level 450 moderate to heavy precipitation. Expect slow decreases in
100 to go.
Intensity over the South Carolina, Georgia through the period. Correction. More information available on Highway Supply Service circumstances. Range 780 Alpha, airport at your 2 o'clock and 9 miles.
Insight 80 Alpha.
780 Alpha, clear visual approach, runway 18.
Clear visual 1880 Alpha.
Allegiant 1950, reduce speed to 210. You're going to be following a Skyhawk in a far right base for 18.
Alright, localizer live.
Range 780 Alpha, contact tower 128.45. Have a good day.
Go to tower 80 Alpha, thanks, have a good weekend. Myrtle Beach Tower, good afternoon, Skyhawk 8780 Alpha, visual 18.
Skyhawk 8780 Alpha, Myrtle Tower, running 18, clear to land.
18 clear to land, 8780 Alpha.
Alright, 4-lane check that is fuel select both. Full rich.
Nothing that came out yet, however,
pull this car back about
program
1500.
to Newark.
Now below 110 flaps
Firm tower, Mr. 90 north. Correction, Fun Charlie. Mr. 90, Myrtle Tower, proceed back. Proceed back, Mr. 90. Myrtle Tower, Mr. 80, Fun Charlie. Mr. 80, Myrtle Tower, proceed back. Proceed back, Mr. 80.
Alright, glass left live.
Tower Legion 1950, visual 18. Legion 1950, Myrtle Tower, running 18, clear to land. Clear to land 18, Legion 1950.
Just load up a little air. 25 flaps 20.
Spirit 234, Mark Large, clear Cleveland Hopkins Airport as filed. On departure, maintain 3000. Expect level 360, 10 minutes later. Departure frequency 127.4, squawk 0776. Spirit 234, be back, correct?
Minimum.
Mountains, continue. Fly right down on the glide slope. Alright, pulling our idle.